billowy whipped cream topping sweetened and flavored with cocoa powder and espresso for that hit of mocha flavoring. We've got an easy way for you to enhance or dress up your favorite dessert. Let's make a chocolate whipped cream. Everyone loves this very simple upgrade for whipped cream. Better still, it'll take your next dessert from simple to amazing. You ready? Watch this. You're gonna need a hand mixer. Here's our pro tip. Yes, you can do this with beaters, but instead try using a whisk attachment. You'll get fluffier whipped cream every time. Then into a large bowl or liquid measure, a 1/4 cup granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon instant espresso powder for that mocha coffee flavoring. Some folks like to add a pinch of kosher salt, that's up to you. Then you're gonna need 1.5 cups of 35% cream. Time out for our American friends, just to clarify, down by you, 35% cream is also called whipping cream or heavy cream. And a general comment for everyone, you'll never be able to whip half and half or a table cream, just saying. Let's continue. To finish, we're gonna whip. Look for soft, billowy peaks. Make sure to go all the way to the bottom of the bowl with your whisk or beaters. You'll have whipped cream in no time. Okay, watch closely. Here comes a very sweet ending to my favorite desserts. We're adding a dollop to a favorite wedge of chocolate pudding pie. We are using it to make a decadent chocolate trifle. Or just add a tiny bit to the most basic but scrumptious piece of chocolate cake. Lots of ways to enjoy, and we know you will. Full recipe is now up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when whipped cream is this fantastic, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Chocolate whipped cream. What's it taste like? Chocolate mocha heaven right there. Enjoy.